this. We're on the ridge that divides Willow and USA Bowl. This is a northeast facing slope here. Went all the way to the ground. Pretty much. What are you finding there, Tim?
Just nothing but that right here. It's kind of like an inch below the top of the Passey there.
Yeah.
It's still an inch. It's still in the top inch.
Yeah. Yeah.
And it's the foot of facet on the top. That's solid. Oh my God, that's all solid. Look at that.
Did it trigger past that ridge line where the tree is? Did it crack over there?
Yeah, it's like all the way out there.
All the way out to the tree.
All the way out there.
You can't even see the
As far as you can see.